Anyway, I'm introducing our hot-selling products. Let me show you how to brighten this LED display. Do you know what this LED display consists of? Look at this part. This aluminum profile ring. Look at this part. You can see this material. This corner angle. You can see bottom, top, right, left. This one is power supply, receiving card, flat white, LED model, and this one is white cable. But how is the LED display connected? Oh, this part, and you can see this wire is two sides. This side is connected to the power supply, and the other side you can connect this LED display model. Okay. This flat wire have two sides. You can see this side is connected to the receiving card, and the other side connected the LED display model. Like this, you can see. This part is net wire, and this is connected receiving card by receiving card. Like this, you can see overlook of this. This wire is connected the power supply like this. Other side is receiving card like this one. You can see the effect. This white cable is connected to power supplies by power supplies. You can see this one. This is magnetic column. His function is can fix on the steel structure. Look at this. LED model have 4-piece magnetic column. Okay, 4-piece. This LED model can fix on the steel structure through this magnetic column. We can see it's very safe and stable. Now what can we say? This is effect of 2.5 pitch. The video is very high colorful saturation, and this is very high contrast ratio. This is very beautiful. You can see this one. Okay, if you are interested in our products, please contact me. Thank you.